It's been almost 6 years since we first met. Noong unang pagkikita natin, no words, no introduction yet. Basta niyakap mo lang ako agad. And I still can't believe that we're here. We're finally here, and I can finally call you my husband.
Standing here with you, with your arms around my shoulders. We're dancing with the moon. And baby, it feels just like a dream when I whisper that I love you and you say it back to me. I got you for the rest of my days, in the sun on Sunday morning or the pouring rain. I got you.
Mahal, maraming salamat sa mga tiwalang binigay mo sa akin. Mga suporta sa bawat planong naisip kong gawin. Sa pagiging #1 cheerleader ko sa lahat ng mga pagsubok. At pagpaparamdam mo sa akin ng sobrang pagmamahal.
You and only you, you and only you, baby. Looking in your eyes, it's like we're in slow motion, just you and me tonight. And baby, you're leaning for a kiss. And I know, and I know, and I know that it don't get better than this.
Before you came, I never thought I could love somebody like this. Like I found my soulmate, my match made in heaven, the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
I got you for the rest of my days, in the sun on Sunday morning or the pouring rain. I got you for the rest of my life, and if all else goes wrong, baby, I'll be your...
Hindi ko na ma-imagine kung ano yung buhay na meron ako kung hindi kita nakilala. At ngayon, napapasukin natin ng buhay mag-asawa. Marami pa tayong pwedeng pagdaan ng pagsubok. Pero lagi kong sinasabi sa iyo na kahit anong pagsubok o problema pa ang dumating, harapin natin ng magkasama, magkahawak ang kamay, at may tiwala sa Diyos.
You can take my time. Every prideful second. You can take my eyes. Attention undivided.
Jason, you are my greatest blessing. And I will spend forever thanking God for the days He brought me to. Mahal ko, I cannot promise you the world, but I will promise that I will try and keep trying to be the best wife for you. I promise to prioritize you and include you in all aspects of my life. Hindi ka na magiging mag-isa. Kasama mo na ako, si Chucky at si Cotton, habang buhay.
And all its broken promises. Oh, there's a give and taking, falling in love.
Pinapangako ko na ibibigay ko sa iyo ang buong puso at isipan ko. Mamahalin kita at aalagaan, poprotektahan at re-respetuhin, iintindihin at sasagutin lahat ng mga random questions mo. Uunahin at palaging pipiliin araw-araw.
Just to hold you. You can have my strength. When the world feels heavy.
You're the most hardworking man I've known. And I am so proud of you. And I will forever be proud of you. I will not just carry your swimming with me. I'll carry you anywhere this life brings me. You are the best decision I've ever made. And loving you is a privilege. I'll always be your palagi and natatani. Saksi natin ngayon lang sa lahat ng mga pangarap na bubuuin natin na magkasama at magkahawak ang kamay.
You're the only song I wanna sing. You can have my heart.
Hahawakan ko ang kamay mo hanggang sa maging puti na lahat ng buhok natin. At pinapangako kong ibibigay ko sa iyo at sa magiging anak natin ang isang maayos, tahimik at magandang buhay. Ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko at mamahalin ko mula noon hanggang ngayon at hanggang sa uling paghinga. Thank you for coming into my life. I love you.
Just to hold you. You can have it. Oh, there's nothing that could keep me from loving you. And there's nothing else I want, nothing else that's even close to you. There's nothing that could keep me from loving you. Oh, there's a give and taking, falling in love. You make it easy, you're than I ever thought. I'll give up everything I'm holding on to just to hold you, just to hold you.